I think most of the cars in this event, they're like classic cars. That's like the main theme. Ooh, sexy. Oh shit. Check this out. Eliminate. Shout out to Randy.
Let me tell you about those Sabs. They will be fucking unstoppable.
Let's go! Clutch
They
kick!
just get fucking started.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Kino. We are at Akihabara right now at UDX. This is like one of the most famous parking lots in Tokyo where the car meets are. We got GTRs, ER, and my STI. And we're gonna be taking photos in the parking lot and outside. So I'll show you guys later. Alright, so we lined up our car like this because there's so many spaces. And that's Akun. And we got two more Skylines. Sick ass. Nice. We're allowed to have car meets. This area is probably the only place where we can have it legally, as long as if we give them heads up first. We need to call them and tell them how many cars we're bringing. As long as if we do that, they'll have like a spot for us, and there will be no cops. So that's freaking awesome. So maybe in the future, we might have like a Lost Royalty meet at UDX. I'm not sure. They might charge us, but I don't know. But as long as if we're not causing any troubles, like if people start drifting, they'll probably like call the cops on us. But if we don't, if we're just chill, you know, it should be okay. Whoops.
Android, ja sam hybrid I živeću u tome U čipova I mesa, digitalna smesa Robota I čoveka Android, ja sam hybrid I živeću u tome U čipova I mesa, digitalna smesa Robota I čoveka Priroda je
Alright, so we're done taking photos at UDX and we're now going to a shrine right near this place. So see you guys later. Paint job. The color on the skyline is so good. Yo guys, check this out. Damn. This is gonna be a really nice photo spot. Sick. This is so JDM. You always say it. Damn.
飯はもう8や動かへんから8にして開きっぱなしに10秒ぐらい
10秒もいらんかこれやったら。
そうそうそう、もうちょいからしていいと思う。あ、そうそうそう、そんぐらい。うん、もうちょいから、こんぐらいかな。うん。かわいいな、ここ。
めっちゃ合う。Sick. All right, so we're trying to get more lights. That's probably the only time I use high beam. My turn. On to the next spot.
1キロ以内、カーロケ受信しました。
So this is the next spot. It's like right in the middle of Akiba. And we're gonna be going around the city. And we're gonna have him take photos. Alright, so we just got one more spot and we'll be done for the night. It's actually right near where I work. So, but I don't know if I remember the spot. We'll see. Let's go. We roll.
緊急車両に注意してください。
So my sensor's been telling me there's a police car like somewhere around. Hopefully they're not doing any patrols because we don't want him to get caught. Alright, so we're near Tokyo Station. This place is really sick, but the thing is, it's really dark because it's kind of late. But we did take some photos, and the guy with the black 34, he had to go because of work. All right, so I think I'm gonna close off my vlog today, because it's getting late. It's like 3 in the morning right now. Let me hear what you guys thought about all the spots, and thanks so much for taking the photos, Shun.
Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.